Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. If you like to read what John writes on a regular basis, you can head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Telecom stocks have not been feeling a lot of love from investors over the past year and a half, and their reasoning for ditching these stocks is somewhat valid too. You see, telecommunication companies tend to have big debt loads. As interest rates have gone up, higher debt loads could hurt profitability. Plus, inflation has hurt the pockets of average consumer. This means telecommunication service providers could see a decline in their business. However, it doesn't mean one should ignore them completely. In fact, with prices down, now is a great time to look at some of the better telecom stocks. For income investors, one telecom stock worth looking at is BCE Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BCE. John?
BCE, which is based in Montreal, Canada, offers wireless, wireline, internet, and TV services to residential, business, and wholesale customers in Canada, more commonly known as Bell or Bell Canada. The company operates through three business segments: Bell Wireless, Bell Wireline, and Bell Media, and they pretty much do what their names imply. Bell Wireless offers digital wireless voice and data communication products and services and consumer electric products. Bell Wireline segment provides data, internet access, internet protocol, television, local telephone and long-distance services, and connectivity services. While Bell Media offers conventional TV, specialty TV, pay TV, streaming services, digital media services, radio broadcasting, and out-of-the-home advertising services.
And John, I see that Wall Street analysts have turned bullish on BCE stock. Why is that a good thing for BCE stock?
Well, as noted earlier, telecom stocks have been given the cold shoulder for some time, though the tide could be turning. We're starting to see Wall Street analysts getting optimistic on BCE. Why is that important? It's important to watch analysts because they tend to have an influence over institutional investors. And once institutional investors start buying, those who already own the stock could benefit. To give some perspective, in early 2023, TD Securities downgraded BE stock from buy to hold. Then again, in September 2023, it downgraded the stock again. In fact, if you go back a little further, there were several more downgrades from other Wall Street analysts as well. All the downgrades and pessimistic sentiment didn't bode well for BCE stock. In early 2022, BE stock traded as high as $53.11 per share. Now it trades more than 23% below those levels.
And what's happening now?
Well, on January 3rd, 2024, the second trading day of the year, TD Securities upgraded BCE stock from hold to buy. At the time of this recording, there are 6 buy ratings on BCE stock from Wall Street, the most in several months. If analysts induce buying from investors with large buying power, this could mean higher BCE share price.
How do the dividend look at BCE stock?
Well, BCE treats income investors very well. At the current share price, BCE pays an annual dividend of $2.89 per share for a yield of 7.01%. BCE also has a history of increasing its dividends. As its business improves, dividend payments could increase as well. Now, as for its dividend history, with the exception of 2 quarters in 2008, which was during the Great Recession, BCE has not missed a dividend payment since the second quarter of 1983. Now, for some investors, 41 years might not seem or sound like a very long dividend history, but it's important to remember that while BCE was founded through a corporate reorganization in 1983, Bell Canada has been around since 1880 and had paid dividends for decades before that.
John, thank you so much for your insights. BCE Inc., like other telecom stock, has faced scrutiny since early 2022. However, it doesn't mean that it should be ignored. BCE stock offers great capital appreciation and income growth opportunity to patient investors. It is one of the biggest telecommunications company in Canada, holds a big market share in the country, and has a very long history of generating shareholders value. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.